Make sure you're logged into TechZenik.com. Select your age. Click Start Coding, JavaScript, and here you can follow along with all our examples and code along with us. Paul from TechZenik here, and in this lesson we'll be learning about arithmetic operators, or math operators. Just like your calculators, you can perform basic math operations between two numbers. The first operation we're going to be learning today is addition. We can add two numbers together using the plus icon. In this case, I've already declared two variables, x and y, both equal to 7 and 5 respectively, and I can console log the result of these two numbers together, just like so. The next operation is subtraction. We can subtract two numbers together by using the minus sign. Now I'm going to console log the result of x minus y. The next operation is multiplication. To multiply two numbers, we use the asterisk sign. Next, we have division. To divide two numbers, we use the / symbol. And finally, we have modulo, or remainder. We can divide two numbers together and get the remainder by using the % symbol as a remainder operation. Let me clear my console and run my code again. As you can see, we can do all our basic operations here in JavaScript. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.